In our previous class, we have installed two tools successfully. One is R and second tool is RStudio. Please all participants confirm me. Have you these two tools R and RStudio? If you have both tools, please type installed message installed both. I need response from all participants. Please all participants type installed so that I can move to next step. Okay, all participants have installed successfully. Okay, now please all participants come on desktop of your PC or laptop. You will do practice with me. I will guide you and you will follow me and perform same step as I will perform. Okay, now click on, you will get a icon in your desktop or your window or 4.4.3 like this. Click on it. It will show you a screen, single screen. If you click on maximize button, it will cover complete page or complete screen of the window. It is the R programming console. It provides you space where you can write R language. For example, I am typing here 5 plus 5, 6 and run. It will give me answer. I am writing here plot. You don't need to write here, just watch. Iris, please don't type, just watch. It will give me plot. So R is the console or space where you can run, where you can write R script, where you can write R language. You need to confirm here. It is the latest version of R. So here is the latest version of R, which is 4.4.3 in my case. 4.4.3. Please all participants confirm me. Open this R programming and check its version. It is latest 4.4.3. It should be 4.4.3 and copy and paste here so that I can confirm. If someone have older version, please let me know. I will guide you. You can update it easily. Please reply your version name in Zoom chat. 4.4.3. I need response from all participants. Okay, good. Now close this app. Here is the cross button. Click on this cross button. It will ask you save workspace image. Yes or no. I don't want to save, so click on no. When you click on no, this programming uh, platform will disappear. Now next we need to confirm another tool which is RStudio. The icon of RStudio is not available on desktop. So click on search bar of your window or your PC or laptop and type here RStudio. It will give you icon like this. Click on RStudio. click on RStudio. It will give you 3 screens in your PC. Please all participants confirm. Have you successfully opened RStudio? If you getting any warning message or any error message or any message, you can let me know. I will resolve your issue. If you get the screen, okay, since we have 4.4.2, okay, and since you need to install latest version of RStudio or latest version of R programming. I am sending the link of this latest version in WhatsApp group and Zoom group. Please, you can download this tool from this website. Copy and share in Zoom chat. Okay, I have shared. Please uh, install this latest version of R. Okay, now when you open RStudio, it will give you 3 or 4 screens. In my case, there are 4 screens. But if you get 3 screens, don't worry. Click here, you can find 2 buttons, minimize and maximize. Click on maximize button, it will give you 3 screens. Again click on maximize button, it will give you 2 screens. No, I have 4 screens. Please all participants also confirm you have 4 screens. If you have 3, just click on maximize button, it will give you 4 screens. Again click on maximize button, it will give you 3, and again click, it will give you 4. Abid Ahmed, click on this maximize button. Here you can find 2 buttons, minimize and maximize. Click on maximize button, it will give you 4 screens. Okay, good. Now next step, you need to verify. Come on, here you can find 4 screens. This is screen number 1, screen number 2, screen number 3, and screen number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Screen number 1, 2, 3, 4. Please come on screen number 2. Here you also need to confirm. Here you can also find the version of R. Here also the version of R is R 4.4.3. So again type 4.4.3. If you have 4.4.3 in screen number 2, please confirm. It's very important step. Okay, all participants have 4.4.3. Good. Now our next question. Okay, the Nidella is 4.4.1. Nidella, please confirm me. Have you installed latest version of R? Yes or no? No. Okay. So as today our first class, uh, we will first work on installation process so that all participants have this tool so that we can move to next step easily. So first I will guide you. And Nidella, please, can you share your screen if I allow you? If I allow you, please let me know. Okay, I have allowed you. Please share your screen. And please also mention your name like Zomi M2101K9C. Please edit this name and add your original name here. Okay, Dila, please share your screen. You have latest older version of R 4.4.1. Okay, please come on screen number 1. Here you can find a tool button. Click on tool button. Here is tool button. Above, above this, I think there is a zoom bar on your screen. You can move your zoom bar below. In this line, there is a tool button. Yes, above, please. Above is, yes, click on tool button. Yes, last option is global option. Click on last option, global option. Here you can find a button with name change on right side. Click on this button. No, you have latest version. So no, you need to click on this button. Click on it. Click on OK. No, again click OK. Scroll down this bar. Please scroll down this bar. Yes, click on apply and OK. Click on apply and press OK button. Okay, now close RStudio and open it again. It will give you 4.4.3. Okay, next Zomi M2. Please open your mic. You mean I don't have both tools? I don't have R, I don't have RStudio. Please explain. I have allowed you. Please open your mic. Or you can also share your screen. Okay, you don't have anything. Have you attended previous class? Okay, I already have shared a link for R and RStudio in WhatsApp group. And I am also again sending the link here. Please download and install this tool. And if you face an issue, please let me know. I will share your screen and resolve your issue. I have shared a link for R programming, and I also going to share script for RStudio. Now you can check two link. One is for R programming and other is for RStudio. Okay, please install both tools and then let me know. I will check, and if you face an issue, I will resolve it. Okay, thank you. Now our next step is, what is the difference between R and RStudio? I will explain it with a simple example. For example, there is a participant name Rajesh. Participant name Rajesh. And here is its supervisor. Rajesh and his supervisor. And Mr. Rajesh have two car in home, car A and car B. Car B. Car B is looking like this. There is no frame, there is no body on this engine. It's only engine or necessary things and it's in working condition. He also have another car name B like this. Like this. He want to travel from home to office. Home to office. So my question is from Rajesh, which car you want to drive and the distance is about 30 kilometers and why? Rajesh, please open your mic.
Could you please repeat the question?
Question is, you have two car A and car B,
Mhm.
and your task is you want to travel from your home to your office, and the distance between your home to office is 30 kilometer. Which car you want to select for travel? Car A or car B?
Car B.
Car B. Why car B?
It is covered, and I think it might have more feature and compatibility.
And complete it.
But
And complete.
okay,
This car is looking as it is a complete car, but
yeah, it's complete.
it's looking as incomplete. But you can drive it. It's in its working condition. Its engine is in working. You can drive both easily. But when you drive car A, when you drive car A, you may face lot of hurdles. For example, you may face sunlight, you may face rain, you may face dust, you may face noise, and lot of other hurdles you may face when you drive car A. On the other hand, when you drive car B, you can avoid all these hurdles. There is no issue for sunlight, there is no issue for heat, there is no issue for cold, there is no issue for dust, there is no issue for noise. You can uh, travel smoothly and in comfortable way. But if I say there is no engine in this car, there is no engine in this car, it is just a frame. No, which car you want to choose? Because you can't drive frame without engine. No, please. What is your answer? Rajesh, please you give your answer. If there is no engine in car B, then which car you will choose? or another participant can reply me.
I will drive car A because
Drive,
there is no engine. Yeah.
you can drive car A because it's in working condition. No, if you get or if you take its engine and fit it into car B, take its engine, take engine of car A and fit this engine in car B. No, in car B you have two cars, engine of car A and frame of car B. No, you have a combination of car A plus car B. No, you have two car in single frame. The engine of this car is for car A and frame is car B. Okay. Now you are working in single car, but you are using the engine of car A and body of car B. Engine will help you to drive this car, but frame will protect you from uh, environmental factors or other difficulties. No, if I say car A is the R programming, car A is R programming, and car B is the RStudio. Car B is the R Studio. Car A is the engine and car B is the frame. So R is the programming language. It acts as a engine and car B is the RStudio. It is the frame. So car B is a single frame. So RStudio is the frame, just a frame. It will provide you protection. It will give you a comfortable zone. While R is the engine, main engine. So when we are working RStudio, basically we are working on R programming. Now you can check in screen number 2 of RStudio. R 4.4.3 is incorporated into RStudio. Now we have fit the engine of R programming into RStudio. R is the engine and RStudio is the frame. Frame will provide you a space where you can fit engine. So RStudio just simple a frame. Without RStudio does not work. If you uninstall R programming from your PC or laptop, RStudio does not work as this frame. If this frame have no engine, it does not work. It doesn't. You can't drive this car B. So to drive this car, you need engine. So R is the engine, RStudio is the frame. I am also going to explain its definition. If you come to definition of R and RStudio, RStudio mean R is programming language, while RStudio is IDE, Integrated Development Environment. RStudio is IDE, Integrated Development Environment. It provides you environment where you can run R with a comfortable zone. You can also do analysis in R programming, as like you can also drive car A, but you may face lot of difficulties. If you want to work within comfortable zone within less time, then you need to fit the engine of R into RStudio. Hope it will be clear. So please, if you have any question, you can ask. If clear, please type clear within Zoom chat. If clear, please type clear. If you have any question, you can ask your question within Zoom chat, as well as you can also open your mic. Okay, if you have three window, you can find here two buttons. One is minimize and other is maximize. Minimize, maximize. Click on maximize button, it will give you three windows. If you again click on maximize button, it will give you four windows. Okay, thank you. And now next step is introduction of RStudio. Our frame dashboard. Here you are seeing my screen. All this is the dashboard of RStudio. First, we need to understand about this dashboard. What is the purpose of each button and each screen? You can see four screens. In my PC. So this is screen number 1, screen number 2, screen number 3, and screen number 4. You can say file number 1, file number 2, file number 3, and file number 4. But screen or window is best. Although these screens have number, but these also have specific names and work. If you want to clear screen, there is a brush button on each screen. You can click on brush button. It will clear all data in this screen. Here you can also find a brush button. There is no brush button in screen number 1. To delete screen number 1, select all, press Ctrl A. Ctrl A and press delete button. It will remove all data from screen number 1. And you can remove from screen number 2, 3, and 4 by clicking on brush button. Now I am going to start R programming language. R is the language, and each and every language have vocabulary and grammar. So R also have vocabulary and grammar. Here is the first word of R programming, hashtag. It is the word of R programming. Hashtag mean heading. You can say comments, notes. If you want to write heading, comments, notes, you need to add a hashtag button, hashtag word. Hashtag mean heading. So if you give hashtag or consider it as a heading, comments, notes. But if you write a line without hashtag or consider it as a script or code. Now I am going to write line without hashtag. Now you can check its color is blue. If I give hashtag, its color will be changed. Now you can check its color changed. No, its its color is green. Okay, so hashtag mean heading, comments, notes. So when you want to write heading, comments, notes, you can add hashtag. Now I am going to write detail about these 4 screens. So screen number 1. So here hashtag mean not number sign. Here hashtag mean heading. Number, screen number 1, screen number 2, screen number 3, screen number 4, screen number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now next step is name of the screen. The name of the screen number 1 is script file. The name of the screen number 2 is the console. The name of the screen number 3 is the global environment. Name of the screen number 4 is, you can say, plot or packages file. Packages file. So these are the names of all 4 screens. Names. Next is working. You can use screen number 1 for script writing. Working can be used for script writing. Screen number 2. When we write a script in screen number 1, for example, I am writing a script in screen number 1. Here is a script. You don't need to write here. Just understand. When I allow you, then you will work. No, you just understand and clear concept. Here is the script data equal iris. I have write a script in screen number 1. So screen number 1, we can use it for script writing. When we write script and run this line, it will give answer in 3 possible ways. Its answer may be when we run the script, it will give us answer in 3 screens. Its answer may be in screen number 2. Its answer may be in screen number 4. Its answer may be in screen number 3. When we run any line, any script or any code in screen number 1, it will give answer in 3 screens, maybe in screen number 2, maybe in screen number 4, or maybe in screen number 3. If the answer of this script is in the form of data, will appear in screen number 1. Answer of this script, if is in the form of data, will appear in screen number 1. If the result of script is in the form of table will appear in screen number 2. If the result of screen number 1 is in the form of plot will appear in screen number 4. If results in the form of plots will appear in screen number 4. In screen number 1, you can write script, and when you run the script, it will show you answer in 3 ways. It will give you table in screen number 2, will give you file or data in screen number 3, and will give you plot in screen number 4. No, you can check. I am going to perform it practically. Click in this line. This is the script. And here is the run button. Click on run button. Now you can check. It gives me answer in two screens. In screen number 2, same line appeared, which I have run. But also give me an answer in screen number 3 with name Iris. If I click on it, it show me dataset. Here is the data. Here is an Excel file, Iris, 150 observation and 5 variables. If again click on this file, it will show me full detail in screen number 1. Close. Here is the cross button. If you click on cross button, this will disappear. You can also press brush button, also disappear from screen number 2. So when you run a script and its answer is in the form of data will appear in global environment. So screen number 3 name is global environment, will show you data. Data will appear in screen number 3. When the result of this line, for example, I am writing another line, str iris, and run. Now you can check when I run this line, it gives me an table data in the table form in screen number 2. No any work have done in screen number 3 or 4. No, if I run another script plot iris and run, it will give you plot in screen number 4. Screen number 1 used for script writing. When you write a script, it will show you answer in the form of table, which will appear in screen number 2. If the answer in the form of plot will appear in screen number 4, and if the answer in the form of file will appear in screen number 3. Now please, if you have any question, you can ask. If clear, please type clear. If you have any question, you can ask. Okay, thank you. Now our next class and task or question or topic will be, what is working directory? Second question, how to create working directory in R, and what is package? How to install and activate a package. Okay. If you have any further question, you can also ask in WhatsApp group. WhatsApp group is allowed for chat. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.